Hey there, welcome back to the Nail Chronicle. This week I've got my moon design and I'm starting out with a black polish by Colour Show. The colour is Blackout. It's my staple go-to for black nail polish. It pretty much, you could do it in one coat. I think I only did two because I got a little bit thin on one of them. And it's just a good all-rounder nail polish and it's only like $5. It's cheap as, so if you're just starting out, check out the Colour Show range. It's really good. I just find it to be a pretty good polish. It chips a little bit, but for $5 I'm not complaining. And excuse the little blank spot here, I got a little bit on my finger and had to fix it up and then refix it when I took it off, as you just saw then. But anyway, so yeah, I'm actually filming this on a Monday night, which is a bit different. I ran out of time on Sunday, and so here I am filming this Monday night. Yeah, so I've just showing you one hand for this design as well. So I applied my black, let it dry. I made sure it was super dry because the glow in the dark polish was actually a little bit gloopy, although when I opened it after shaking it a bit, because it had separated, I've had it for over a year and it's never been used, so it had separated and gave it a shake and it seems to have thinned out. Yes, it's a bit of a weird formula looking at it when it's separated. It was almost like slime. It was kind of looked like that, but at least it went smooth, so it went on really nicely on the nail. Once it dried, you couldn't even tell that I'd put a glow-in-the-dark polish on. It just looked like I had my normal black with a bit of clear on the top, which was pretty cool. And so then I moved on to the stamping. I started trying to use the Con white, but because I've got pretty much next to nothing in the bottle, it just didn't really work that well. I think I got one image out of it, if that. And I was having another go at using my clear stamper. I've got to get I've run out of my nail buffers that I use to prep the stamper, and so I can't prep it properly at the moment, so I got one or two images out of that as well. But yeah, so I did have a go with my clear one because I really wanted to get the position right on my nail, and the clear stamp is the best one to do that. If I'm just doing full images, I'll use the Con one, but I ended up having to swap, and you'll see in a second I swap over to the Con stamper. The plate I'm using here also is a Bundle Monster branded plate, so Manology, they've rebranded to. It's from their Halloween collection, and I'm pretty sure this is one I actually won from a competition, which was pretty cool. And it comes along with my challenge, and you'll see in my vlog I've mentioned it a couple of times, that I want to try and use all of my plates at least once. I'm not sure how many I've got left, but it's not too many. Just so I can have a go, and I haven't got things there that I've bought that are just sitting there doing nothing. And the Halloween ones are a bit more of a challenge because it's really specific to I guess like a time of year. So, and because I've got so many of them all at once, I'm like, oh, how do I use these? So a few of them I might have to actually wait for Halloween to come around. But with the moon shapes on here and lots of people doing moon designs, and also seeing this really beautiful moon the other day, and I was like, I have to do a moon nail art. So that's where my inspiration came from. And I sort of saw it and went, okay, yeah, that's my design. And if you keep an eye out from my vlog in the next couple of weeks, I'm planning on doing a post about where I get my inspiration from, because sometimes you just get those days where you're completely stuck and you have no idea what you want to do and you're unsure. So it'd be kind of a good reference point even for myself, just to go back and go, okay, I don't know what I want to do. And it can apply to anything. It can apply if you're a writer, if you want to do nail art, of course, if you're a musician, or you just want to create something, you want to do some art, or you're just stuck on, what to do in general. It's kind of a cool way of, it's a different way of thinking, I think, and it's a way I sort of use to create some creativity within my workspace, particularly as I can't change my workspace around too much. So yeah, I've just gone through and stamped each nail, and I haven't talked about the nails too much because you can see in my other videos how to do the nail stamping. And this is where you can see that I swapped over to OPI white polish, and because it's gotten, I've had it for a little while and it's gotten a bit thick, so it does work as a stamping polish. Sometimes you'll be surprised and normal polishes will work. But yeah, it's just experimental and just see what happens. Sometimes they'll be thin and they'll still work, which is quite a surprise. So here's my final design. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd love to see you around, and I'll see you for my next video. Thank you. Bye.